Hello guys, I'm Tripura. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about do's and don'ts of oily skin. Before we get into this video, I just want to let you guys know that I'm not a dermatologist, and what I'm saying now is what I've learned from all these years and what worked for my skin. First and foremost, what is oily skin and how to know if you have oily skin or not. No matter if we have normal skin, dry skin or oily skin, our skin produces sebum. We have sebaceous glands under our pores which will produce sebum. This sebum helps us to keep our skin moisturized. So the only difference is how much sebum that our skin produces. So for oily skin people, the sebaceous glands produce more sebum, which in result make our skin look oily. Oily skin will be caused because of genetics or because of hormonal imbalances. Okay, how to know if you have oily skin? When you wake up and look at yourself in the mirror, and if you find your T-zone, which means your forehead, nose and around the mouth is oily, then you don't have oily skin. You just have combination skin. If you find that your entire face is oily including your cheeks, then you have oily skin. The first point I want to talk to you about is always use a mild cleanser. Sometimes when you wash your face feels so tight and you might feel okay, this is the best cleanser. But what it will in turn do is it will make your sebaceous gland think that you have no moisture. So it will in turn produce more sebum, which will result in more oiliness on the face. So always use a mild cleanser, don't use any harsh cleansers on your face. The next and the most important point I want to talk to you guys about is always use a moisturizer. I can't stress on how important is it to use a moisturizer. This is the only mistake I have done throughout my teenage years. I have always felt I have oily skin, and applying a moisturizer will make my skin look even more oily. But that's not the fact. Applying a moisturizer will help control your sebum. But what I suggest is always use a water-based or gel-based moisturizers because they are light and penetrate deep into your skin. Using a cream moisturizer may have chances to block your pores, which will cause breakouts. The third point is don't over exfoliate or exfoliate every day. We exfoliate to get rid of dead skin on our face, but if we do that every day, it will only damage the outer layer of our skin. So don't. Exfoliating your face once or twice a week is enough. The next point is always buy non-comedogenic products. If you have oily skin or acne prone skin, these products will not irritate your skin. So always buy non-comedogenic products. The next point is always use products that are alcohol free. You might feel that if the product has alcohol content in that, it will help with controlling the oil production, but the fact is it will in turn strip away all your natural oils from your skin, which is definitely not good. So always use products that are alcohol free. And the next point is include toners in your skincare routine. We generally apply toners after cleansing our face. Toners help in maintaining the pH balance of our skin and will also remove any residue that the cleanser cannot remove. It is preferable to use toners that have AHA and salicylic acid in them if you have oily skin. And the next point is avoid touching your face too often, because if you are touching your face too often, what you are just doing is you are taking the bacteria from here to here to here to here, which will cause more breakouts and more oiliness on your skin. So don't touch your skin too often. The last point is always change your pillowcases, because if you use the same pillowcase every day, which means you're building more oil dirt, which in turn builds more bacteria, which is definitely not good for your skin. So always change your pillowcases. Okay guys, these are the few things I do to keep my skin healthy. I hope these are helpful for you. Thank you. Okay guys, if you like this video, do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.